Welcome. Today, we introduce our new configuration feature. From now on, you can organize your program list entirely according to your own needs. Let's get started. First, we need to access the web interface. Let's briefly recap how to do this. To access the web interface, first press the hamburger menu, then the Info I button. On the right, you'll see two buttons. The Wi-Fi icon puts the Luminoscope in access point mode. The button below generates a QR code or shows an IP address. If your Luminoscope is already connected to your Wi-Fi network and your mobile device is on the same network, there's no need to enable access point mode. Simply press the button below the Wi-Fi icon to view the IP address. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone or browse to this IP address on your computer. If not connected to a network, the Luminoscope can act as an access point. Activate the hotspot mode of the Luminoscope by pressing the Wi-Fi icon. Then, scan the QR code to connect, or select the network manually from your Wi-Fi settings. Once connected, click the button below the Wi-Fi icon to view the IP address, or simply scan the QR code with your connected mobile device. When you have accessed the web interface, enter the login ID and password as provided in the manual, available at support.luminoscope.be. On the left-hand side, you will find the Settings tab. Click on it and then select Programs. Here, you can choose which programs are visible on your device. The menu is divided into two subcategories, OEM and Matrix. Using the remote control feature, you can view how the programs are currently organized on the device. As you can see under the OEM button, several programs are activated. Depending on your needs, not all of them are required. To deactivate a program, simply toggle the slider. When the slider is gray, the program is deactivated and will not be visible on the device. Let's verify this on the device. If the OEM window is still open, the changes will not be visible immediately. Only after refreshing the screen will the changes appear, as we now can see. Let's repeat the same process for the Matrix button. First, check which programs are currently activated. Then, return to the Organizer tool and select the Matrix menu. To make changes in the Adjustment section of the Matrix button, click on the screwdriver icon. Go through the list and activate or deactivate the programs according to your preferences and requirements. Don't worry, nothing can go wrong. If you make a mistake, you can always change it back. Let's now verify if the changes were successful. Return to the remote control function and check whether the correct programs are active. As expected, the list has been reduced to match your needs. You can now apply the same process to the Measure section of the Matrix button. Activate or disactivate according to your wishes and check if the changes are successfully done in the device. It's as simple as that. That's it. Now you know how to easily customize the buttons on your Luminoscope to suit your needs. Be sure to visit our social channels for more useful content.